Good day everyone. In this video, I'm going to be going over the last trade I took on GBPJPY and how I went about it. So the first thing you need to understand is where are we in price and where we're likely going to draw into. So from what we can see in price, we can notice we're in a structure range on the daily time frame. They want to look for key levels that support our strategy to buy back into where our drawn liquidity, which is our buy side liquidity. So we already have that area as our target. Where they want to look to enter our trades, we have this order block and this fair value gap. Because of the way the candlestick closed in the fair value gap range with a strong bearish candle, I have my eye instinct that price was going to draw into this order block as this final area. So moving lower to the 4-hour time frame to look at the structure, you can notice how these are series of down close candle that purge liquidity, and that happens to be a valid order block. Having those things paired up together, we're looking to frame trade to buy back into buy side liquidity. So moving lower to the 15-minute time frame, so look for structures that form around those areas. Coming out to the 15-minute time frame, we have the short-term high and the short-term high. Price invalidating those highs will mean price is about to switch bullish. Then we have this large push into this key level at Sunday open, and then price started to react from that area. I personally did not see any trade at that particular zone. I saw this particular area as an entry, but I did not trust it majorly because I could not find any structure. Price invalidated from the left and of price. Moving forward, so in summary, I did not find any trade around the reversal point, but price moved forward and then eventually breaking this high into the upside. With that knowledge at the back of my mind, I know for a fact that price will hold this structure, even for the shortest period of time, will hold this structure into the nearest buy side liquidity. So the next I saw was where I would likely want to close out my first long trade. Just in case of reversals, I have that area drawn out. So I have these two drawn liquidity, but this will be my primary target to close my initial position. So moving forward, so having this structure now, where is my key level to possibly buy? I have this order block, this series of candles, this down close candle as my key level to buy price back into buy side liquidity. I have this drawn out, and then that was my key level. Now the next I need to wait for was a valid inducement to occur within my structure. That already occurred within my structure, making my zone way more valid. We had a strong inducement. All right, and then we want to see what key levels to buy into premium price. Stop loss come below what the stop hunt that occurred in price. Have this price, and then we're targeting where the nearest draw on liquidity. Go to multiple time frame. Then that was our key level to buy. But I personally, as always, did close out my trade at the 1 to 5. But then price eventually delivered price into this buy side liquidity. And with that, I'll see you guys on the next one. Yeah, Bosh.